Welcome everyone, my name is Jessica and this is Simple, Cheap and Easy DIYs. Make sure you check out my last episode after you watch this episode. I'm going to start off by taking this basket that I got at Dollar Tree as well as this nautical rope, and I'm just going to apply some hot glue to the top and wrap the nautical rope all the way around the top of the basket. And this is what it will look like once you have the nautical rope glued to the top. Next, I'm going to take this crafting paper that I also got at Dollar Tree. Now this is optional, but I'm going to glue this to the inside. That way you can't see through the little holes in the basket. Once I have all the craft paper glued down, this is what it will look like. And then I'm just going to use some floral foam for the bottom. And I'm just going to place these in there. I'm not going to glue them down. Next, I'm going to use these flowers that I also got at Dollar Tree, and you can use any flower combination you like, but I'm just going to cut those off and then start placing them and arranging them inside the basket. After I have all the flowers arranged how I like them, I'm going to take this Spanish moss and I'm just going to fill in all around the flowers, that way it hides any of the floral foam that may show through. Next, I'm going to take these butterfly wall stickers, which also came from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use them as is, so I'm not going to put anything on the back of the stickers. I'm just going to apply some hot glue to each of the butterflies and then glue them randomly to the flowers just to kind of fill it out. And this is what it will look like once you have all the butterflies in place. Next, I decided to go ahead and add some nautical rope to the bottom. Again, this step is optional, but I think it just kind of helped pull it together. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of hot glue and wrap the nautical rope all the way around the bottom. And this is what it'll look like once you have it all completed. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. As always, you can leave me a comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Till next time, hope everyone has a great day.